Hey guys, welcome back. It's your Chef Martin Reyes. Today we are going to be making a three-piece chicken with zucchini noodles, and we have our roasted garlic parmesan over here, our tomatoes, and our baby portobello mushrooms. So let's get into this. Alright guys, I'm going to finish this last one up and stay tuned. We will have more for you as I move on to our chicken. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, welcome back. And our chicken is just about done. I'm going to show you guys a fun fact for the chicken to make sure that it's cooked. What I did was I cut into the middle to make sure that it's not pink and it's well done. Now, if you guys follow me for a second, see that guys? Beautiful, nicely cooked, well done chicken. Done. Okay, so what I added was extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and our pink Himalayan salt, and our black pepper. So stay with me. In a little bit I'll be putting in our zucchini noodles into the pan, but first I'm going to wash up and prep. So I'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. We are cooking our zucchini noodles right now, and we are about to add the condiments to it. So come on in. We got our bell peppers. We're going to sprinkle those right on top. Clear that out. We got our baby portobellos. Boom. Get that right in there. And we got our tomato. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at all them colors. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some pink Himalayan salt into it. A couple of sprinkles. Really livens up your meal. I'll put some pepper, black pepper. There we go. There we go. And for today's special ingredient, white truffle oil. That is going to go on top of our meat, and it's going to give it such a flavor. It's really great. So stay tuned for our end result and join us back in a little bit, okay? And I'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. This is our end result. Come take a look. If you like what you see, like and subscribe to Chef Martin Reyes. Smash that like button, and we'll see you guys soon. Good.